We are at Reinhauer Farm in Hamburg, Pennsylvania. We are currently in the middle of a corn maze. Hopefully no children come running out of it. But we are following our children. So hopefully we get out of here. But we just got done a hayride. Walked through a pumpkin patch. And we are cruising along. Let's go! We made it back to the entrance.
Try again. Do over.
Try again. Let's go. Because that's the only way to go. We're going to go this way. Nope. Yep.
This way.
Is everyone up? Is everyone with us?
No. I'm following it.
Well, let's wait for everyone. We would be eating corn for dinner.
Alright, we gotta go touch the hay bale. That's third base. What about second base?
So we have a sneezing turkey. I can't pronounce the name, so I'm not going to try what it's actually called. I'll put it in the description below. But what we did to try to cure it is apple cider vinegar and garlic in their water. We do that as chicks for their immune system. It's good to do it all the time, but we haven't been doing it because we had the 50 meat birds. Yeah, pal. Oh, wow. Yeah, it is feeling a little better. So, what we did was we put the apple cider vinegar in the water. I got a gallon water and it's almost gone. I did an application in his nose with a Q-tip. Seems to be doing better. And we're gonna hope it doesn't spread to the other birds, but I'll see if I can get it sneezing on camera. What it is, this is an upper respiratory issue. Just a little trouble breathing, but hopefully this natural cure helps it. If not, I'm going to have to kill it. We'll see how that goes. We're going to hang out for the rest of the night. The floor looks good. And this guy is getting bigger every day. He's going to look good on our table. But just chilling, and we'll see what the night brings for us.